Okay. Good evening po sa po lahat po. Okay, Friday night basketball action po. Get it now. Playing blue po tayo. Airport United versus, of course, ito po ang team Extreme Ballers. Okay, Extreme Ballers versus, of course, ang Airport United. JC shows with you, Arvin G. Okay, first quarter action po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Between Airport United playing blue and Extreme Ballers playing white. Okay. This is slow connection. Okay, second game po tayo between Airport United versus Extreme Ballers. Nadalo pa ako, natapos na po ito kanina. And this shows with you, Arvin Gibran, and also this part by SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ and Team LBC and Trillion Eagles. And this league po, Airport Aviation Friendly League, Aviation Friendly League, Doubles of Flying League. Third season po tayo, live po tayo sa Okay, David Spirit is watching, David Sor is watching also. Pasensya po, medyo nalalalag tayo dahil nasa ano kasi yata tayo eh. Wala ganong receptacle dito, kaya medyo mabagal ang pasok ng data. Pagpasensya na po, medyo lang tayo yun. First quarter start. Okay, si Alnatur, si Masbangs, Manson, Babagay, and Tess. Blue ball. Blue ball, sabi ng ating mga kapitapay-dagang referee. Okay, number 19 for the inbound. Barantes to Babagay. Manson. Babagay. Natur. Siblini. Number 13. So, planning shot, no good. Natur to Barantes. Barantes. Wala, malakas. Babagay. 2 points, Babagay. Babagay, 2 points. Aris, David, paki-check lang po sir yung data. Maraming salamat. Masbang, 2 points. Okay, Masbang, nakapasok. Nagbigay po ng puntos po sa team ng Airport United. Number 13. Touch pass, foul. Babagay called for the foul. Wala na. 14 second shot clock violation. Balik muli po sa team Airport United ang bola. Barantes for the inbound. Ito na kay Babagay again. 7:42 remaining. Manson for 3. Kapos. And same ball. Nice effort. Silang. Barantes, Manson for 3. No good. Rebound battle 1 by Babagay. Masbang, humingin ba? Ayan na, Manson, kapos. Masbang, malakas. Take 2. Masbang, shooting for 2. Foul on So. Masbang, shooting for 2. Nice, T. Hassel. So, ayun, 14, 2 points. 14, 2 points. Manson. Manson again for 3. No good. Natur. Nakuha ang bola. Nakuha naman siya pa. Siblini. Malakas. And point ball. Stepping on the line. So, palpal. Siblini. Siblini. Difficult shot. 2 points. Siblini. Nice shot by Siblini over Al Natur. Again, what a play by number 14. 6-9 ang score po natin. Still lamang pa rin po Airport United by 3 points. Masbang. Foul by Siblini. Masbang shooting for 2. Masbang shooting for 2. And also, palit po tayo ngayon. Palit players po tayo ngayon, mga... Masbang, first shot. Pops up. No good. Second shot naman ng Masbang yun. 6-9 score, 4 minutes 40 remaining. Malakas. Balik muli po sa team ng Airport United ang bola. December na po, eto na. Escobedo, Escat, Nadera, Jong, and Carmona. Jong, 2 points Jong. 25. Again, to number 19. Number 19. 15. Bothered. Number 10. Pops up. Hindi muna. Ayaw niya. Driving, slicing, and wala. Pero nandoon. May nagbabantay. Number 19, 2 points para sa Extreme Bowlers. Carmona, Escat. Medyo mataas. Escat sa ilalim. Nadera. 2 points Nadera. Nadera, back to back points po kay Nadera. Yung kayong typical na boarding stance. Hop. Kaloy. Ayun, kay number 19. Pops up. No good. Escat. Kick pass kay Jong. Kay Nadera naman. Nadera. Pambold. Escat. Jong. Nadera. 2 points Nadera. Back to back. Field goals ulit kay Nadera. Darling of the crowd yata si Nadera ngayon. Grabe. And now Pulintan. Number 0. Pulintan. Nice. No good. And still Carmona. Nagmamadala. Escat. Nawala ang bola. Pass. Pulintan, palpal, pero meron din nagbabantay si number 19. Number 19, 2 points. And si Carmona. Escat. Escobedo. Carmona. Escat. 3-second violation kay Escobedo tinawag. Turn around po ngayon tayo to Pulintan again. Pulintan driving, pops up. No good. It's rebound battle, 1 by Carmona. Escat again, Escat. And 1 play made para Escat. Escat, pinapakita niya ang pagiging stalwart niya. 27, Escat. Scott, bonus shot coming para Escat. Escat 2 points Escat. 7 seconds remaining. Pulintan, no more. Lilipat tayo ng ng venue. Okay, pop. Foul. Naderak. Number 6 called for the foul. Take 2 pala kay Pulintan. Mid connection. Second throw. It's in. Last throw para kay Pulintan. Pops up. It's in. Okay. Both shots pass in front. The score is 24-14. Laman pa rin po Airport United po ng 10. Okay, thank you, sir. Paano rito pala yung data? Okay, second quarter action po tayo. Punangin tayo ngayon. Bola pa ng White, number 13 for the inbound. Siblini. And number 14, Labrado. Pops up. So, no good. Rebound di Manson. Manson, nakaribot si Manson yun. Manson, binababa ang bola. Muñoz, 2 points. Rebound di Muñoz. Manson. Barantes. Barantes. Al Natur, lost the ball. Al Natur lost the ball. Ayan again po si Siblini, may tahan ng bola. Siblini. Natur. Up! Who's ball rep? Same ball. White ball, white ball. So, pops up. Bang! 2 points. So, the score is 26-16. Lamang muli po ng 10 ang Team Airport United. Barantes rather. Al Natur still competed. Sibini again. Sibini. Pulintan. 2 points. Back-to-back points. Field goals have been posted by Team Extreme Bowlers. Babagay. Stripped away. Same ball. And timeout called by Airport United. Marami sila. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. Again, the score is 26-20. Lamang na lang po ng 6 ang Team Airport United. Same ball, muli po tayo. Babagay for the inbound. Babagay. Al Natur sa ilalim. Barantes. 2 points na yan. Tarya ng ate Barantes yan. Barantes, 2 points.
Ilan na sa red? Dalawa.
Barantes shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second shot. Jumper's ready. Barantes, second throw. No good pareho. Babagay. Manson, may foul na naman. Ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Ang score, sir, ay 29-20. Lamang po ang Airport United, sir. Ray Cream, the score is 29-20. Lamang po Airport United. Manson. Nakuha. Mali pinasa ni Muñoz. Labrado, side step. Walang pinasahan. Sir. Walang pinasahan si Labrado. Balik muli po sa blue ang bola. Manson. For the inbound. Pal na 2. Walang pinasahan. Mali. Lomtong. Siblini. 2 points Siblini. Away, 3 points sa Siblini. Siblini 3 points. It scores 32-25. Barantes. Sayang. Barantes shooting for 2. Kung meron Johnny Barrientos, meron tayo Johnny Barantes. Barantes, first shot. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Same round. Eto na, sila Carmona, Escobedo, Melvin, Masbang, and Escat. Sa kabila naman, Dark Cats, number 19, number 33, number 0, number si Sing at si number 15, si Duma. Doble-doble number na, kaya nakakanda rin. Pulintan. Kaloy. Kick pass kay Melvin. Intercepted by Sing. Duma. 2 points Duma. Nadera. Escobedo. Pops up. No good. The score is 34-27. A 7-point lead been posted by Airport United. Escat. Kaya mahina internet dito. Ang hirap ang ng internet dito. Ilang beses na nag-internet, no? So connection, no? Masbang. Intercepted by Sing. Okay, 2 points again by number 19. The score is 34-29 at 5-point lead na lang po. Yeah, I know, sir. I think the internet here, we're now in the underground, sir. I'm very, very sorry. Blue ball. Sabi nila blue ball. Carmona. Melvin. Palpal. Ido. First quarter pa lang, di ba? Second quarter na? Okay, puro riddle tayo sa ano? Puro buffer parata. 2 points. Kuma. Escat. Nagreklamo na nga rito. Puro do buffer do parate ko eh. Ayun na rito. Di dapat tayo din next week. Okay, substitution muna. Number 15, labas mo si number 15. Medyo na alog lang ng konti. Scott, first shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Kaloy. Pops up. No good. Scott. Carmona. Yung mali pinasahan. Balik. 37-31. Alaman ng 6. Sing for 3. No good. Masbang naka-rebound. Masbang. Power move. No good. Melvin. na walang palasahan, mali pinasahan. Sing, 2-point Sing. Shooting for 2 si Masbang. Masbang first shot. It's in. Masbang second shot. A 4-point lead advantage. A 3-point lead advantage rather na lang. And Masbang second shot no good. 3 points sa ball. Kalamangan na po ng Airport United over Extreme Bowlers. Masbang malakas. Escobedo. Foul number 0. Escobedo shooting for 2. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready for Escobedo. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. No, it's out rather. Melvin. That's it. Mga boss, I'll be forced to go now for video muna po tayo. Pasensya na po Mabagal po kasi yung data po dito. Nasa underground po kasi tayo.